Best Portable Car Fridge, Top 10. 2020 Buying Guide. If you are looking for a new portable car fridge, then you have come to the right place. Here is a selection of the best car fridges from various manufacturers of electric car refrigerators. To help you choose the best model for your next trip, we have found the top models on Amazon in 2020. To give you this top 10 review, we have looked at 91 products and analyzed 2,793 customer reviews. Links to the portable refrigerators mentioned in this list can be found in the description below the video. Number 10. FM62DZ, Dual Zone Portable Refrigerator and Freezer from Winter.
Whether for wilderness trips, hunting expeditions, or tailgating, the Winter portable freezers are perfect to keep food and drinks fresh on the go. Its highly efficient compressor cooling system is easily powered by a standard AC 110-volt outlet or a DC 12-volt power source such as a car battery. Don't be confused with the novelty-type coolers. Our Winter portable freezer refrigerators are true freezers which cool between -8 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It also comes with a fast freeze function to rapidly freeze the items inside. The FM62DZ is a dual temperature zone 62-quart capacity model. With two separately controlled temperature zones, you can set either zone as a freezer and the other as a refrigerator. The two removable baskets are for easy organization and cleaning. All of our portable freezers come with the upgraded metal side handles, and some of our models have interior lights. They also come with a warning light to help protect against a dead battery. The tough and solid outer case makes them resistant to any jostling or bumps. The compressor of these freezers functions even when tilted 30 degrees. If you want to protect and provide additional insulation for your Winter portable freezer, the Winter Insulated Flexible Transit Bag is your best solution. This accessory is available for purchase from our authorized retailers. When you need to take food and drinks fresh on the go or to freeze specific products, the Winter Portable Freezer Refrigerator line, available in 45, 65, 85, 95 quarts, and a dual zone 62 quarts. Please visit our website for the most current Winter Portable Compressor Refrigerator Freezer lineup.
Number 9. 25.4 quart portable refrigerator from Sea Green. Number 8. MRO40FU1 AC and DC Fridge Freezer from Engel.
Jer, yo! Last time we were at Engel, they gave us this and said, try it out. See how it works? Dave thinks it's a refrigerator.
Yeah.
It is a refrigerator, but it's also a freezer. So if you turn it all the way down, check it out.
Yeah.
Want some Italian ice?
This trick on Chunky, it's gonna make him madder than a wet hen.
What is that?
Italian ice
Where'd you get that?
from the freezer.
Where's mine?
It was only 4.
Robbie!
What?
Why didn't I get one?
There was only 4.
You know I love ice cream.
I was hoping somebody said they didn't want one and you can get that one, but everybody wanted one.
You're kidding, right? There's one in the cooler, right?
No.
It's delicious.
I'm saving you from yourself anyway because you're a little fat.
Is this about the sandwich?
Yeah.
And where do we get a freezer?
This Engel's a freezer.
Now you've gone too far.
You don't know how good this is.
No, I do. I know exactly how good that
If
is.
you had one of these, you'd be so happy.
There's nothing I like more than ice cream. Well, maybe those little Hostess treats. But ice cream's close second.
Hooked up, hooked up.
Number 7. Series 2 Fridge and Freezer from Arb. Number Number 6. CFX 2812V electric-powered cooler from Dometic.
Dometic knows space can be a concern when preparing for a trip. We also know cooling and freezing without ice can be a necessity. That is why we designed a full line of CFX-powered coolers ranging from an ultra-compact cooler to our dual-zone models. Regardless of cooler size, there are a handful of tips to optimize cooler performance and allow you the freedom to enjoy your adventures. Prior to departure, cool your CFX to the desired temperature by using your home's 110 AC outlet. This will lower energy consumption when the CFX is using your vehicle's DC power. If using DC to cool your CFX to the initial desired temperature, Dometic recommends adding cold food and drinks. These items will act as cooling agents, reducing energy consumption, and will help maintain internal temperatures efficiently. Press and hold the power button to turn on the CFX. Select temperature for the first zone by pressing Set once, and adjust the selection using the plus and minus buttons. Press Set a second time to adjust the temperature of the second zone. We recommend refrigerating at 38 degrees Fahrenheit and freezing at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Your display will return to the current internal temperature. However, your selection has been saved, and your CFX is now working toward your set temperature. To toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius, press Set 3 times, then use the plus and minus buttons to change the selection. Adjust the sensitivity of your battery protection system by pressing Set 4 times and choosing between low, medium, and high with the plus and minus buttons. To change the brightness of the display, press Set again, then adjust using the plus and minus buttons. Lastly, to activate the CFX Wi-Fi, press Set again and turn on or off using the plus and minus buttons. Our convenient wire baskets allow you to easily transport items to and from your CFX. And because it does not waste space with ice, a CFX-powered cooler offers 60% more internal storage space than a traditional ice cooler with the same exterior dimensions. For when vehicle space becomes a precious commodity, our durable powder-coated steel handles can be easily removed to obtain 2 more inches of packing space. Lastly, your CFX needs proper airflow to cool efficiently. Be sure to allow 2 inches of space around the vents for proper airflow. Now that you know how to outfit and pack your CFX-powered cooler, it is time to begin your trip.
Number 5. EL6244 from Wagon. Number 4. Mini portable fridge from Chefman. Number 3. EL6206 from Wagon. Number 2. EL6224 12-volt car cooler and warmer from Wagon.
The cooling function lowers the internal temperature approximately 36 degrees Fahrenheit below the ambient temperature, which makes it cold enough to store food when using at room temperature. The heating mode brings the internal temperature to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It transfers heat energy between the top and the bottom of the lid using 40 watts of 12 volts DC. The inside of the lid has a fan to circulate cold or hot air. Inside the cable compartment has the mode/power switch. The lid has an O-ring to help keep the unit efficient. The cable on this unit has a long reach, which allows you to keep it anywhere in your vehicle's cabin. The lid removes and installs quickly so you can wash it out easily. For solo trips, I keep the cooler on the passenger floor. If someone's riding shotgun, they can be set in the back seat area. On the day-to-day, I keep water in it so that I can keep hydrated while I'm on duty. It's plenty of room for 2 100-ounce bladders and a 64-ounce Nalgene, along with snacks and other food that needs to be cold. So that's the 24-liter food fridge and food warmer made by Wagon Tech. If you guys have any comments or questions.
Number 1. GO20 Dual Zone Portable Refrigerator from IceCO. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you find what you were looking for, then please click the like button or let us know in the comments below. And if you want more great outdoor tool and gear videos, then remember to hit the subscribe button now. And finally, here are some more videos we thought you might like.